Hi everyone, Henry here. Welcome back to another value-packed video. Today I want to show you how you can create a simple app on System.io website. Now, using AI like ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, these AIs are going crazy and they can literally do anything at all. As you guys know, I've been creating apps on top of my System.io website. This is one of them. And I want to show you the kind of app we are going to be creating today. Today we will be creating a simple app, and it's no other than WhatsApp. So when you go to website, you will see this WhatsApp app that you can just click here, and when you click here, it will take you to another page where you can now start to chat with the customer or with the business owner. So one thing about this app is that on System.io, it does not come by default, so you can't do it. The only way to do it, like I showed in one of my videos, is that you will need to actually go to a third-party website and do it, then bring the code back. But today I want to show you a different method. The new method I will be showing you today is that you can literally get it done using AI, and I will show you how to get it done ASAP. All you need to do right now is to quickly go to your System.io dashboard. So when you're on your System.io dashboard, depending on what you are using here, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to put this little icon, this WhatsApp icon, which is an app, on your website, on your entire website, right? You can choose to put it on your sales page, just one particular landing page, or on the website. I will show you both methods. Method number one is to put it on your entire website. The first thing you want to do, you click blog, it will open your website for you. Then on this particular website, I want to use Leadpreneur Academy accredited programs. So I will click on the website I want to put it on. When I go to the website I want to put it on, you have to notice this particular stuff here. Here you will see blog layout. This is the only place you can put it on your entire website. If you choose any page here or any landing page, if you choose post, page or category, you will put it on only these single pages. But when you want to put it on your entire website, you need to go to this particular place here. Click on blog layout. It will open the blog layout for us. Now you need to know this. When you are on your blog layout, the only thing you can edit is this place here. You can edit this particular place, which is the menu bar. You can change your logo, edit your menu, and also your footer. These are the only things you can edit. You can't edit the blog content. So now what we want to do is we want to locate the left hand side of our dashboard on this tools panel here, these settings. You go down a little bit, you will see raw HTML. Now just drag this raw HTML, put it somewhere below here, drag it and just drop it here. Now you will see it here, it has appeared here. Now we'll click on this System.io, this here, then we'll go up by the left hand side again to click on edit code. Click on edit code, it will open this particular interface for you. What you want to do, you want to do Ctrl A or Window A here, so that you can delete everything that is here, or you just click on it and delete it yourself. Once you have this step number one done, then let's quickly head on to Claude. In my own case, I will just use Claude because I love Claude a lot. It's better for me when it comes to creating code and what have you. So now let us go. You click on new chat on your Claude. In case you have it open, if you've not registered, just go on claudeai.com. you'll be able to register and you have your own interface. Like this is even a free plan. You don't even need to use the paid plan to get this stuff done. So on this place I will say, hi Claude. Now I like to talk to them like human being. I want to create an app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript that I can embed on my System.io website. Now it's important you tell Claude or ChatGPT where you want to embed it on, so that they can give you the kind of code that is embeddable on that particular platform. So now I told him what I want, now but I have not given him the instruction on what type of app. So the app I need is a WhatsApp that allow customers chat me from my website, and I want it by the right hand side of my website. So and with this we are good. Just click on and forget about the typo here. Claude will do justice to that, and the AI understands everything you're trying to say, and you understand better way to do this stuff, and the AI will go ahead and get us done. You can see by the right hand side here we have AI writing the code for us. In just a minute, let's say less than a minute, it should be done. And once it's done, we can copy, take it to our website, and we'll see if it works for us. Now this is how I've been using to create literally different type of apps to add functionality to my System.io website, because it's not like WordPress where you can have a lot of plugins by default. This time around you need to do it yourself, or you use third-party app. Now we are done, so we can even take a look. Okay, it's still writing the code for us. So let's allow Claude finish what it's writing. In this case, I can even see that this stuff is adding me some other information that I didn't ask him to, because normally I didn't ask for much. I only asked for the icon. So you can see everything is done here, and we can see, go back to the code and see how the code is like. So right here, once I can see everything is good to go. However, there is something we must do here, and I will show you when we are on System.io platform. So right now we want to copy. When you copy this code here, you go to your System.io. You know, we already had it open. Now you just click here, you just come here and paste. Now the moment you paste your code here, you need to go and add something very important. Look at it, right? From the beginning of your code, you see the beginning here, you have some CSS here, these are just the styling. When you go on that, you will see there is an option where you need to add your own phone number. See, there is an option where you need to add your own phone number. Look at it here. See, it told us under here, it says replace this with WhatsApp number. So what we want to do, we just want to replace this with the WhatsApp number that we actually need to use for this, if you like to our actual WhatsApp number. So right here, I will just add my number, the number I want, but I need to add the code to it, +229, then put the number, right, 830048. So this is the only edit you need to do on this code, and that is all. This code is up and running. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay, there is one more thing you will do, but let us say we can save our code. We can just save now, and we'll save. Look at the icon is here already. So now let's also save this part on the System.io. Now we are putting this stuff on the entire website like I told you. So let's click here. You know what, let's just go to the website instead of trying to preview. So let's click on leappreneuracademy.org. So you see, now we have our icon here, and not only do we have our icon, it's so beautiful. See something, if you click on here, see what happened. Your business name, typical replies within an hour. Hello, thanks for visiting our website. How can we help you? Start chat. It does everything for me, right? Beautiful. Now I can go back and just put my business name in this particular aspect, and I'll show you how to do that. Just put your business name here. I'll just put here Leapreneur Academy, or I can just put somebody's name and one of my staff, right? And we can just click. Now let us check if this stuff actually works. So when we click start chat, it will open an interface that will literally take us to the WhatsApp. Let me even click. So when I click here, start chat, it opens an interface and it takes me to WhatsApp, and I can now start chatting the people, right? So because I'm using the system, it will take some time. So you can see now the moment you click here, boom, you can start chatting with the business. That's it, right? So that is how to implement this here. So now let's go back to our System.io dashboard. Let me show you our back end so that I can show you something right now. All right, guys. So when we go back to our System.io dashboard, where we are doing all the magic we are doing right now, and we'll click on the code. So what we want to do, we want to edit the part that says add your business name. So now let me just give you a quick basic on this. From beginning of the code to this part, these are all CSS. Now when you get to a place where you see head, right, you now see body. This is where the stuff that you start to see inside of the app will start to show. So the first thing we will see here is this part here that says business name. So this part that says business name, what we need to do is just delete the part and write our business name, which is Leapreneur Academy. Yeah, Leapreneur Academy is okay. Typically reply within minutes. Typically within minutes. So what else can we change it? Thank you for visiting. How can I help you? I think everything is cool here. You don't need to change anything. Probably I will customize this, right, to have them when they are chatting me, let them tell me their names and all that. I will customize that. But again, this, for people who don't know how to code, this is basic, and this is very, very okay. So you save and you have this on your entire website, not just on certain pages. But if you now want to do it on your own, on a particular page, let's say you have a landing page, usually your landing page will be under this part where you see website. When you click on the website, okay, my page is still loading. All right, your own landing page will probably be on this part where you will see sales funnel. When you click on sales funnel, it will open the various sales funnel that you have under your sales funnels. So we just drag this and let's drop it here. Now when you drag the same step, right, you drag, you come here, you edit the code, Control A, just click in Control A, and I'll just paste my code. And once I paste the code here, it will just give me the same thing on that particular landing page. Let me just save it. The moment I save it, I can now see it pop here. That is it. So the same way, right? Now if I go on this landing page, I will see this icon here, and I can interact and chat and all that. So guys, that is one of the ways you can add functionality to your System.io website using AI. And this AI right now is turning things and giving you guys advantage in your business. Take advantage of it. If you want to learn better things that you can even do with this AI on your System.io website for free, you can literally create your own complete app. You can watch this particular video where I did a tutorial on how I create one of my SaaS app on System.io. See you on the next one.